my YouTube channel.
Hey my gems, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my little sister Pamela. She recently went through a crisis and decided to bleach her entire head. She went to Ulta to get it done, so she got it professionally done so it's not as damaged, but it's still pretty damaged. Her hair is as dark as mine and her hair is curly, so her curls are completely gone. Her hair is freshly washed. As you can see, there's like barely even a bend on her hair. So I told her that I was gonna do it for her, and we're just being silly and just goofing around camera. So you're gonna be seeing us do some really silly things around during the video. But that's just how her and I behave when we're together, because you know, that's what siblings do. So I'm just doing the mask on her hair. We're gonna put on this mask for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off her hair, and we're gonna continue with the routine. And this is just me being silly. I'm not really in the video because, I look the way that I do.
Back on my YouTube channel.
So I thought about doing my hair routine on her hair. However, she does straighten her hair and every once in a while she will use silicones on her hair. So I decided to just use a shampoo on her hair, and I'm using the sulfate-free shampoo by Cantu. And then everything else is my products, what I use on my hair. So my conditioner, my leave-in, and my gel. And I'm actually not gonna talk through the video. I'm just gonna tell you guys what I did. Just because it's a very fast video. Like if I would have actually made the video how the way it was, it would have been very long. But I decided I'm just gonna make it a really short video so you guys can just see what I'm doing with her hair. And it's actually really hard to do somebody else's hair. You're used to managing your own hair, but managing somebody else's hair is very hard. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know how to grab her hair. Like it was really difficult, but we managed to do it. I actually wasn't able to stay at my parents' house until her hair fully dry, so she sent me a video, and this is her results. What do you guys think?